In this video I'll be creating this look. I have moisturized my face and now I am using a peach corrector. The eye makeup that I am creating in this video is so versatile that it suits all the Indian skin tones. Plus it is so easy to create that even if you are a beginner at makeup, you can easily go for it. Next I am setting the peach corrector with some loose powder. Next I am applying foundation with a foundation brush. I am not using a beauty blender as I want full coverage. The thing with the beauty blender is that they absorb most of the product. So I use brushes whenever I want full coverage. Next I am highlighting my face with a concealer. To blend it, I am using a dry sponge. Next I am using some loose powder. You don't have to use much, otherwise your makeup will turn cakey. Next I am using powder contour to contour my face. I am applying blush. Little bit on the nose to get that flushed look. I am applying highlighter. Next, to fill in my eyebrows, I am brushing them downwards with a spoolie and filling in the sparse areas. Next, I am brushing them upwards and filling in the sparse areas. I am cleaning the edges with a concealer. I am using some eyeshadow primer. All the products are listed in the description box below. So I am starting with this dark brown shade. With the help of a small eyeshadow brush, I am applying this eyeshadow on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. If you don't have a small brush like this, you can even use an earbud. You don't have to have the same products or same tools that I am using. You can use similar tools and products and create the same look. Next I am joining the two corners at the crease. I am using this shade as a transition shade. I am using a fluffy brush to blend this shade. I wanted more intensity, so I am reapplying the previous shade and blending it with a smaller blending brush. Next I am applying this shade in the middle of my eyelid. I am blending the corners. On the lower lash line, I am smudging the dark brown shade with an angular brush. Next I am applying liquid eyeliner. For some reasons my light stopped working, so I had to shoot my next few shots in my phone camera. Here I am tightening my eyes. I am smudging kohl on my waterline. I have combined two liquid lipsticks. So if you like this makeup, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching.